So Matthew and John, we're here today in Somerset, rainy Somerset today, which is a good welcome for people. So against the backdrop of the Agri-Tech Centre here. Matthew, we're in early September now. Maybe could you tell us what the sentiment was like for the last couple of months?
Yep, so we've been busy for the last couple of months. There's still a strong demand for fresh calved cows and autumn calving cows. Sentiment's strong, milk price is fairly stable, looks stable going forward. Even though forage stocks are tight, milk to feed price ratio is as good as it's been for some time now, and people are looking to fill tanks over the winter.
Okay. John, demand for autumn calvers, what's it like?
It's still there. I mean, obviously the autumn calvers are cracking on with it now, and now into September. But yeah, there's still demand for the right type of cow. People are looking to fill the tank with positive seasonality, so yeah, there's still demand there.
Okay, and have you much availability for people who might be looking?
Yeah, there's availability there. Sadly, the Bluetongue situation into Wales is a lot of demand into Wales, but obviously you can't go there, and there's challenges to get stock there. But yeah, we have sensible groups there. We've got a couple of herd dispersals coming on, so yeah, there is stock there. But yeah.
And I suppose a big topic of conversation in the last few weeks here has been rainfall or the lack of it. What's it like down around Somerset, John, with people?
It's a big concern. People are concerned with forage. I mean, it's raining here now, which is kind of ironic, but people's stock numbers, forage stock numbers are low. They're careful what they're doing. They're culling out older, less productive stock while the cull price is high, and looking to replace that with young, freshly calved animals. So yeah.
So Matthew, you're around the Wales, Hereford area there. What's it like weather-wise, or what has it been like for rainfall?
Rainfall is very low. There's a shortage of forage. Forage stocks are tight. But like we said, feed prices are still reasonable, so people are buying in more feed. You know, there is end of blocks are coming up for sale. People are culling a little bit harder. But yeah, hopefully the rain will come now, and might be able to get a late cut in.
Okay, so spring calving stock, a lot of that, they're being scanned at the moment.
Yes, spring calving stock being scanned at the moment. We have got available in-calf heifers for spring stock. We have got 3 or 4 herds coming up over the next couple of months of spring calving cows. These are both black and white cows and crossbred cows. You know, if you need any of these, or you know, the demand is there, so you know, if you're looking to sell any spring herds, you know, please do get in touch with us.
Okay, and you both mentioned Wales. I suppose there's a lot of demand out of Wales. What's driving that? Or
grass growth is probably the main driver. You know, grass growth has been pretty good in Wales during the summer. They have had the rainfall a bit more than what we have in England. As John mentioned before, Bluetongue is an issue. There is a hard border there. You know, stock can go in if they're vaccinated. You know, if you're looking to sell stock in England, we would recommend you vaccinating for Bluetongue. Blood tests can be done, but it's not, there's a small window, and it's harder to get that stock in. So, you know, we do urge you to vaccinate for Bluetongue. It is a 6-week delay from start of vaccination to selling. So, you know, if you plan ahead, vaccinate, and it opens up a lot bigger market if we can sell into Wales.
okay, maybe John, to finish on, what demand have you got, or say with people maybe looking to sell, what ideally are you hoping to see? Or can we come?
Well, we've got a fair bit of demand just recently for autumn bulling heifers. Obviously that's heading towards end of October, November time. So the demand for them, we have some nice groups for sale. People have been holding off to buy because of the forage situation, which hopefully might rectify a little bit with grazed grass. And yeah, people are looking ahead towards next spring. So yeah, there is sort of demand for spring and calf heifers. So yeah.
Okay. Look, thanks for your update there. Okay, thanks
buddy.